you have a tumble or a condenser dryer. After 2 hours of running, you go to get your washing out, it's either really, really hot and piss wet through, or it's cold and piss wet through. I might have the solution to your problem. Stay tuned. Hey guys, here's another quick video. This video might be able to help you sort out the problem with wet clothes after a long duration in your dryer. So this only concerns tumble dryers and condenser dryers that are electrically heated, and not the other sort, the heat pump dryer. First things first, make sure you can see that. Do not leave that plugged in when you take parts off your dryer or any machine. So I'm going to put this up here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to concentrate on this piece here, which helps the airflow from underneath the machine through the blower and up through the heating elements. So let's get going on that. Right, what you've got to look out for is all the screws here in this area above the plastic are metal to metal screws. Everything in this region downwards are metal to plastic screws, so they'll be a bit different. Put them to the side when you take them out. I'm going to take all the screws out except this top screw here. Right, and there we go. Right guys, with the cover off, we can see the heating module. And here we see a thermostat. And here we see a thermostat looking device, but I believe this is an over temperature thermostat. So what happens is if the air gets above a certain temperature that is really too hot, this will trigger and it cuts the heating system off. So the dryer will carry on running, but with cold air. If the dryer has all of a sudden gone off and you have luck, it could just be that somewhere in the system it was blocked, overheated, and this bimetallic, I suppose we could call it, has popped out. Simply click it back in, look to see where your air was blocked, put the cover back on, and it should carry on drying your clothes. If that isn't the problem, it could be that this thermostat has gone. This thermostat to buy on its own is about the same price as to buy this whole system here, or the whole module. So if that is the problem, then the module will cost you about 25 to 30 euros. Replace the module, happy days, carry on. Right guys, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Bye-bye. Hey ladies and gentlemen, if you like the content, please put a like on the video, add a comment and support me with your subscription. Thank you very much.